Hi there. In this quick video, I'm going to show you my typical email verifier setup, which is Reeon followed by BounceBan. To connect both of these, you have to use Clay's HTTP API enrichment. I'll show you in a moment how I've set that up. So what I've done is I'm sending a GET request. I've got the endpoint from the API documentation. Here's my key. I've deleted half of it, as you can guess why. The mode is power. There's a couple of different types of modes here. You can do the single or the bulk. And you have to map the email key with the email column that you're trying to verify. In this case, it's Apollo. And as you can see, I've slided this over so you can't see the email addresses. Simple as that. And then I run it. I'm going to actually run it for, I made no changes here. So I'm going to run it for the rest of them. So it's finished now. And some of them are catch-alls. So if they are catch-alls, I'm going to run BounceBan because I trust BounceBan to make a judgment on the catch-alls. It's quite good at this kind of thing. While it's loading there, I'm going to just quickly show you the pricing. So the reason I used Reeon first is for 10,000 credits, it's $11.90. Whereas, for example, BounceBan, for 10,000 credits, it's $40, okay? There are more expensive than that. For example, Zero Bounce is 2 to 3 times the price of this. I used to use that, but I've switched recently. And here we go. So even though these are catch-alls, BounceBan has judged them to have a very high score. So then what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a column. So email for instantly. This is what's going to go into instantly, or yeah, instantly is my tool of choice right now. So I'm going to write a little instruction. So if, what were we saying? If either, so if status for Reeon, where is it? Reeon is safe, or I like to number them in Clay, more for myself rather than the computers. Or what else? The score in BounceBan score is 98 or 99. Output the Apollo email. If not, leave blank. Okay. There we have it. It's going to load in 1 second. And it's finished loading now. And you can see I have 5 high quality email addresses ready to be cold email. I've narrowed this column so you can't see the email address. So just to recap, what I did was I used the HTTP API connector to send the email addresses that Apollo found over to Reeon. And if it returns that they're good, they're safe, then that's fine. We'll be pitching them. And if it returns that they're catch-all, I send it over to the 3 times expensive, but at least twice as good, BounceBan. And then let it make the final call over whether these are good email addresses to pitch or not. And then finally, I made a little formula to get a nice clean list of the good, let's call them good email addresses. And that will later be shipped into instantly, either automatically or extracted and uploaded. Yeah, so that's how you do that.